Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I made this really beautiful but multifunctional mirrored storage unit. It was easy and inexpensive to make, so if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here are the items I used for this project. First, let's talk about these 20 by 12 mirrors from Michaels. They are labeled as 20 by 13, but according to my measurements, they are 20 by 12 and work perfect for this project. So the first thing I did was remove all of the labels and black tabs from all of my mirrors. Some of the labels came off very easily, and others I used some goof off to remove the residue and the stickers. Next, I used some masking tape to tape one of my 20 by 12 and 12 by 12 mirrors together. I then lifted those mirrors up on their sides. Next, I added a line of the E6000 and a corner brace to hold the two mirrors together. I then marked the center of my 20 by 12 mirror and added a second corner brace. I used that same tape to attach a second 12 by 12 mirror to the opposite side of my larger mirror. I'm using the tape to hold the mirror up until I'm able to add my E6000 and corner brace to this side of the mirror as well. You'll notice the reflective part of the mirror is facing the inside of the design. Here I'm adding a second 20 by 12 mirror, using the tape, of course, to hold the mirror up, and then adding the E6000 and corner braces to this side of the design as well. I let this dry for about 30 minutes before moving on to the next step. Next, I added E6000 to the top of the center corner braces, and I added a third 12 by 12 mirror. I also added braces to the top corners of this mirror. I used the tape to help hold the mirror up while the glue dried, and I let this entire piece dry for an additional 4 hours. I then carefully placed my design on its side and added a second 20 by 12 mirror to the back of my design. I adjusted the mirror as needed, but I did notice a small gap along the sides, but I was okay with that. I then added additional corner braces, this time to attach the back piece to the rest of the design. I used 10 corner braces in all. I allowed my design to dry overnight, and then I stood it up just to make sure that the piece was solid and properly aligned. I decided I wanted to add a door to my unit, so I used E6000 to attach 4 1-inch hinges to a fourth 20 by 12 mirror. I let that dry for about 30 minutes, and then I glued the other side of the hinge to my unit. This unit is for a left-handed person, so the bottom of the unit is on my left. If you want the door to swing open for a right-handed person, you'll want the bottom of the shelf to be on your right. I used tape to hold the hinges down and let this dry for an additional 24 hours. I'm also using E6000 to attach a crystal knob to my design. I think that I got these knobs from Home Goods some time ago. I also decided to add 4 of these Dollar Tree glass gems to the bottom of my unit. This should lift my unit slightly off the floor and help me easily open and close my door. Once my glue was completely dried, I then removed my tape, removed the excess E6000, cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. This unit can be used in a number of different ways. Here I've placed the door towards the wall and I'm using it as a mirrored stand. It can be placed on its side for a completely different look, or used in any part of the home. Here I'm using it to store my wine glasses in my formal dining room. How would you use this storage unit in your home? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Did you know I've started a second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, up close and personal? If not, I'll leave a link to my second channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.